I'm going to explain about the generics. So here, right, in this video, very small basics concepts only. So how to create the class, generic class, to create the function as a generic, how to create protocols as generic. So I'm going to explain only three items. One is a class generics. Second method, protocol generics. So in the protocol there is no generic concept, there is a concept called as associated type. Okay, we will discuss that also. This is already I made a separate video, you can watch it in the previous video I did this. So now come back to the class generics. I'm going to create one shift file, I will explain there. I'll create as a shift generic, shift generics. Okay, so here I'm creating one class. That class, right, class, I can say it as a data, and t means it is a placeholder. It is a placeholder. So this is how we can declare the class generics. Now data is mine, I can say my data confirm with the t, and initializer, see, this is the initializer. This is the way to update, and you can define the functions also. Just I'm printing the, I'm passing the different data means different data type, string, double, array or struct, whatever. If I pass here, just I'm trying to print here. Here the whole concept is class generic. Whatever the data we should pass, it should receive and print without any error. Okay. Print data. Okay, just we are trying to print in that. Sorry, print self dot my data. Okay, just now when you create the instance of this, right, and you create the instance, and at the time of only we should pass the data, and we'll call this method. Whatever we are passing in the constructor, that data will be displayed here. Okay, move on here, the view controller, let, what is the class name? So my data. Okay, data is equal to data, so here t, right, you can pass anything. Now for this I am passing the 100. Okay, now I will call, right, that method is the right printing in the class data. So what will happen, the 100 will be printed here. So here, go here, see, it will print here. And if you create another class, data 2, and my data, you can pass here shift string. I'm trying to pass here shift program language data 2 dot z. Okay, just I'm trying to run with the two methods. Okay, we will see. I'm trying to run here. So when you do explore, right, you can pass the structure or a double, float, whatever you want, you can when you do practice, right, you can try with the different data types. So as of now I'm even you can try with the structure, right, structure also. Okay, and this is the very basic class generics. Now I will move on the function generic. Okay, now I will declare here one class saying that my class. Okay, now I will create one function generic method which will receive any data type. Okay, so function testing generic method saying that, sorry, item t. Just I'm trying to print same here also I'm printing here item. Okay, item. So now since it is generic, we should make it as a placeholder here. When you create the instance of this class, right, this I'm going to comment this. I hope the class generic is clear. Now let I'm creating the my class, right, class 1 my class, and there is a one method, right, testing generic method. When you try to pass here, I'm passing the 10,000 here. Okay, first time, and I will create the one more instance, class 2 my class 2 dot test generic method. Now I will pass here protocol protocols. So here, right, when I try to run, see, so no error, even you got the output also. So this is the generic method. Okay, this is generic method, this is generic class. Okay, so generic protocol, right, so there is no generic protocol exactly. So there is a concept of associated type protocol. So protocol, already I made a few videos on the protocol, still I will explain here. Okay, my protocol, my protocol. So here, right, there is an function test generic protocol method. Okay, here there is no type t placeholder kind of things, nothing is here. Okay, so there is a called as a associated type. Here you should give user define protocol generic, whatever it is you can give, even abc also. Okay, it will accept, but give the proper name. Just with so this is user define, you can give anything. Okay, so here I can give the input parameter, this one. Okay, can give protocol generics provider. Okay, so this is the way to declare the protocol, but we can't provide the implementation, right? So once you confirm the protocol to test this, okay, so when you confirm the protocol in different class, created one class already. Okay, no issue, I will create a separate class is there here, test. So this test protocol class confirming the my protocol. Okay, so then we should provide the implementation for this method, right, and also you should specify the which type it is. Okay, when you build it, you will get the compilation error. See here, you should pass the string. Now what will happen? See, when you try to build again this method, right, in the place of protocol generic, you will get the strings. Okay, build it and steps. See here, because type you specified as a string, so the based on this data type method will be generated. Okay, move down, you print here item and printing. This is the how the associated type will work actually. Okay, and even structure, double, anything, just browsing employee. Okay, so basically we are model class we are declaring with the struct only, right? Here we have employee first name. It might be multiple properties also here, don't worry. But here, right, when you confirm, right, in a class, now this is we tried with the string, now we will try with the structure. Okay, so for that I'll create this class, saying that my class already is exist, so I'm giving the my class 2, so confirming with the my protocol. Okay, my protocol. Okay, so here when you build it, you should specify the first type. Okay, first you should specify the type. So type I will specify as a struct here. Now when I build again, the method will be generated based on the my input type. Okay, this is okay, input type. You can print here, print item dot fname. See, print item dot last name. This is how with the associated type generate. So when you create the instance and when you call, right, so whatever you are passing from there, it will call. So for example, I will execute this. Okay, and go to the view controller here, protocol rex. Okay, there is no type placeholder t here. Okay, see, this is protocol object, p object. Sorry, not protocol object, it is a my class 2. Okay, just I will give that object, my class 2 object 2 dot, it is taking an employee item, right? You should have the employee item before calling this method. So here let this is the structure, right? Structure here, employee first name, last name, Ravi, Kiran, and one more object I am creating for structure, employee, and see, Sai. I can give the session color. Okay, so here, so if you want to declare the multiple values, right, you can declare it and you can pass it here, employee also, or array of employees also. Try with when you do practice, try with the array of employees. Okay, so if you have any doubts, write in the comments. So for now, when you try to run this, what will happen? Ravi Kiran, it will be display. Okay, it will be print. Okay, in the log area. See, this is how it will be work with the generics. I hope in this video you got how to declare the class generics, method generics, okay, and protocol generics. So very basics thing. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you for watching. That's it in this video.